is Harvey Chai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have a notebook in front of me and I have a keyboard in front of me. So this is MSI Bravo 17. You can see here with RGB cooler booster. This is Ryzen 7, very dynamic and high processor, 4 GB of graphics card. So in this video I'm going to show you the functionality of keyboard. Let's see, we'll hit one by one the keys. Let me explain here. Here you have function key. So every key work with function key. You see, when you hold the function key, which keys are connected with the function key you see. So you hold the function key, all these keys you can operate with this one. It's beautiful. I don't see any other notebook this one so far. Could be there's some notebook, but this notebook has a special feature. So first one, I hit function key and I hit F1. So in this case nothing happens, so it's not working exactly. You don't have any function. In this case I hold again function key, I hit F2. So F2 you can connect with external monitor. You can see duplicate monitor or external monitor or extended monitor. You can do that. Now we'll go to F function key with F3. This is touchpad mute option. So if you hit this one, the touchpad is muted. You see it's not working. In any moment, if your touchpad is not working, that means you hit this button mistakenly. So you can fix it. Fn F3. So touchpad, you can see now is working better. Now we go to the next key, that is function key with F4. You see we come to MSI Dragon Center. The home, you see the monitor option, graphics, GPU, AMD temperature, other thing, SSD, how much you have, so many information, discs, that means disco here in Spanish, HDD, how much you have and other information. You can see all here. So we'll go out from here, we close this one. Now we go function key with F5. So you can see so many things in this function key F5. After that we'll go to important key, function key F6. This is webcam option. So for example, I'll open the cam option. Yeah, camera, you see, I hit this one. No camera is available because it's off. I hit function key F6. You can see the cam is here. This is Harvey. So function key F6, you can activate and deactivate your webcam. So this is done. I put off, is gone. Next one, we go function key F7. Let's see, we have more option here. F7, the battery option and setting option. You can see other things. Here we go, but it appear disappear very fast before I do anything. So we have to find it out what we have. After that you have function key with F8, nothing happened. F9, nothing happened. F10, that is modo avion in Spanish. That means plane mode. You see here the plane is appear. So all the connectivity of this computer ceased. So you have to hit function key and F10 to start all the connectivity, internet, Bluetooth, whatever. That is very handy to have, very fast. After that we have function key F11 is not working here. In BIOS you can use this key to save your settings. So that we'll use in the BIOS. Then function key F12, you can put the computer in sleep. So this is sleep mode. Again I hit function key F12. So if it's not wake up your computer, then you have to hit the power button in this case. So you see here the imprimir or print, you can print directly. After that block key, I hit this one, nothing happened. The pause, this is delete button or delete key. You have number keys here. Let me do something. For example, function key here, you see brightness up and down. You see how I increase the brightness, and function key I can use the brightness down. So with these arrows you can do that. Some computer they have here. So in this you have another location. Also volume, you see here this one up and this one is down. Put down, this one is up. and this one up the brightness of the keyboard, if I'm not wrong. It's totally down. You see, I don't have no color. You notice that? Now I up the brightness of the keyboard. See? So function key, and I hold up, and with this I hold down. You see, I don't have no color in the keyboard, no light. So I increase this one. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is description explaining of keyboard MSI Bravo, could be 15, 17 or any other version. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.